Today, I'm going to show you how to easily create a QR code for any Office 365 document stored in OneDrive. By the end of this video, you'll be able to generate professional-looking QR codes that give anyone instant access to your files, perfect for sharing handouts in a meeting, making classroom resources accessible, or even just streamlining your workflow. Let's dive right in and get started with the method I recommend for most people, which is generating a QR code using the QR for Office, add-in directly inside Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. This makes the process really seamless, especially if you want to embed your QR code right inside the document you're working on. First, go ahead and open your document in Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, whichever app you're using. With your document open, look for the Insert tab at the top. Click on that and you'll see an option called Get Add-ins. Add-ins are extra tools you can plug into Office to extend its features, and QR for Office is one of those handy add-ons. Click Get Add-ins, then type QR for Office in the search bar. When it pops up, just hit Add. This will install it and open a new pane on the right side of your screen. Now in that pane, you'll need to select your URL type. For most people nowadays, that's going to be https:// which is just the secure version of a web link. Next, you'll paste the link to your document. If you're not sure how to get that, you can grab it from OneDrive by sharing the file and copying the link, which I'll show in a moment. Paste the link in, and you'll see options for customizing the QR code's color and size. Take a moment to make it match your branding or your style, a nice touch if you're preparing something for a client, school, or event. Once everything looks good, hit Insert, and just like magic, your QR code appears right inside your document. You can resize and move it around just like any other picture. This approach is great because the QR code stays with the file. Whether you print it out or send the file electronically, it's all integrated. Now let's look at another flexible method, sharing OneDrive files from your web browser and using an external tool to create your QR code. This is super useful if you want to generate a code for any file, even if you're not inside Office apps. Start by signing into OneDrive.com and find your file. Click on it to select it and you'll see a Share button at the top. Click Share and you can adjust permissions so that anyone with the link can view your file or limit to specific people. It's all up to you. Once your settings are good, press Copy Link. Now here's a little pro tip, especially for Microsoft Edge users. After you copy the link, open it in a new Edge browser tab. Once the document has loaded, simply right-click anywhere on the page and select Create QR Code for this page. Edge does all the heavy lifting, just download or use the code as needed. If you're not in Edge, don't worry. There are plenty of free QR code generators online where you can paste your link and instantly create a QR code to download or share. And that's it. Now you know 2 easy ways to generate QR codes for your Office 365 documents in OneDrive, whether you want that code right in your file or as a separate image to share any way you like. If this tutorial helped, please hit that like button, and if you have questions or ran into trouble, drop a comment below. I'm happy to help. Make sure to subscribe for more quick and practical tech tutorials, and thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.